Welcome to Parker's Vlog, episode 7. Today I'm going to install my window trim on my 335 that I desperately want 800 horsepower out of, or to sell it. Comment below, let me know what you think we should do. Let's get into it!
Hey, yeah.
Is that it?
I just filmed Spencer and I didn't even tell him anything. I just pointed the camera on him and yeah, he just did my intro. So there you go. We're gonna go install the windshield molding on my car. It's a little bit windy out, so excuse me if
You sounded French. Excuse me.
So excusez-moi if it's a little bit windy outside. But yeah, I'll show you the whole process so you can
Who's it from?
do it on your
Who's it from? FCP?
Oh, I thought you were mad at me. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Who's it from?
It's FCP, right?
Yeah, FCP Euro.
Nice.
I don't want to get the address in it.
Oh yeah, scammers.
FC. Oh, the logo's not even there. But yeah. So let's see. I gotta take this stuff out. Let's do an unboxing right now. Oh man.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
Yeah, that might help.
Yeah, I got you.
So, first thing I got, trimmer 2.
Trimmer?
I want this stick.
You got a trimmer?
I got a trim removal tool to get all the crustiness out of the cracks because it's going to be like dry rubber. It's going to be hard to get out, but I have alcohol in this. And then here is the windshield molding itself. It has double-sided, or it has one-sided, not double-sided, tape. You put it in place and then you peel this back while it's in place and then we'll stick it on there and it should be good to go.
Why are you replacing this? What happened?
I'm going to show them downstairs,
okay.
But it's basically like it's so flaky that you can just peel it off.
Oh, so it's like, it's brittle.
It's like crumble.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So this happens to like all 335s that sit in the sun and stuff, which mine was garage, but
Maybe so it's from like sun fade and water and stuff like that?
yeah, it just
okay.
like, it's kind of like a wear item, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it only happens to like the front windshield and then the back windshield. So yeah, we're gonna replace that. So I'll see you down there. I'll see you down there.
If you haven't yet, subscribe to @SpencerBurt Podcast to see Parker and I talk about cars.
That's right. Basically, every day we release a podcast.
Every single day.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh man, it's warm outside.
Yeah, it's like a nice day to visit.
Got the birds chirping. Doesn't it feel like 8 a.m. even though it's 4:30? Yo.
See, every day the sun goes up and the sun goes down. So sometimes people may say that the sunrise and the sunset feels very similar.
Is it because it just goes around the earth once?
Yes.
Thank you. Let me see your brittle. Oh, dude, it's terrible.
Yeah.
Bro.
I've been picking at it. Look.
It's like dry skin. Bro.
It's gross, huh? So we're gonna replace that with a freshie, and let's get to it.
Let's get it.
Okay. So first step we're gonna peel off all the trim starting from the bottom right corner, and once we get that off, I'm gonna use a little bit of alcohol,
Isopropyl,
and a rag, and probably some of those trim tools that I showed you to get all the extra rubber and silicone, whatever it's made of, out of the cracks. You want to get it really clean. There's probably going to be dirt in there, just so the new tape has something to seal onto really well. So this little guy peels back. You don't want to touch, this is staying. And then we're going to get under this. So this has like a metal piece inside of it. You just kind of want to peel it back. And it's going to be really crumbly.
Oh, look at all the crust.
It should have come out pretty easy.
Whoa.
Because it has metal.
Oh, look all the, it's all the seasoning.
I'm going to pick this up.
It's so much seasoning.
Salt and pepper.
Whoops.
Dude, this is everywhere.
Oh
Holy
no.
shit.
Sorry, I got a broom in the car. How much pressure are you using?
Not much.
Just enough to get it out?
Yeah, like you'll feel it. You're not gonna break anything as long as you're not scratching the paint too bad. You know?
Yeah.
This one I'm gonna need the pry tool for. So you just pry it right up. Comes up pretty easy. Oh, it's so crusty.
It's so seasoned. Oh, look at that.
Alright, we're gonna go over to the other side. Yeah.
Dude, that is crusty.
We'll get that stuff after.
Jeez, look at all this stuff in there.
It's so gross. This is a pretty quick job though. It's been about a minute so far. And we almost have it off. Oh.
Whoa. Look at that nasty stuff. Get out of here.
And then I'm gonna go back down here. Peel this guy back.
I'll give you like $100 if you take a bite of this trim and chew it.
With the metal or no?
No, not with the metal.
$100?
Your dad's gonna watch it and be like, "What are you doing to my son?"
Wait, is that for real or is that a real challenge?
No, dude, I'm not gonna pay you $100 to eat that.
You know I would do that right away.
You get iodine poisoning. Iodine.
Racing poisoning?
That's what I need. Yeah, get it. How does it feel? Does it feel really like dry?
It's pretty sticky. I mean, look at it.
Yeah, it looks sticky.
I don't know why I'm putting on back on my car.
Whatever, dude. It looks good.
It doesn't matter. This thing's dirty as hell anyways.
Look at that close up.
Holy shit.
Dude,
Alright, so that's basically all of it. So now we're gonna go in with the rag and the trim tool and basically get as much of the excess off, preferably up. You can see you gotta get all of this off.
So that tool gets in there and just pulls everything out?
Basically, yeah. But you might scratch it up a little bit, but no one's gonna see underneath the trim, so.
So you're taking all that stuff out to have a better foundation.
Yeah,
because stuff to go to.
Yeah, because you want the tape to seal on there really well.
Yo, look at this thing, man. Gotta go in to get my canards adjusted. We mounted my canards way too high. It's alright, it happens. Gotta get it washed. It's been raining the past couple days, so need to get that thing clean. Got Ricardo's coming soon.
Alright, so I just got all of the trim off of the windshield, and now I'm going to go around with the rag and the alcohol. I'm going to wipe it down really well. So basically it looks completely clean on the glass and on the painted section. And after that, I'll show you how I apply the new trim.
It's like snake skin.
It is.
Alright.
Okay, so you can kind of see the shape of it. I'm going to get it in the top first, I believe. I think that's the right way to do it. So there's like this little line right here, and that's where the windshield goes into. It goes in between that crack. So you'll kind of get it up on here, get it down and under,
mate. Outback Steakhouse. It's good at blooming onion, bro.
Oh.
It's like 4,000 calories, 8,000 carbs. As we talk about fitness on our podcast channel.
Yeah.
Whoops. I pressed my pocket. MotoGP.
So I guess the corners are kind of in. Push it down with your fingers first. See how it's kind of just conforming to the windshield right there.
That's already looking nice and crispy. Not crispy, but smooth.
So then, once you get this all done, I'm gonna make this quick because we're running out of battery here. But once you get this all pushed in, like how I just told you to, you take these little yellow tabs right here. My cameraman's on his phone.
I'm trying to get it behind the scenes.
So you take this little yellow tab right here, and that's attached to the tape. So you peel that, and then you just press it down all the way around. There's one here, and one on the other side, and then you'll be set. So we'll show you kind of like the finishing touches of it, but yeah, we don't have much battery. So the sides are pretty easy to get in. The top's a little bit harder. I just tried to get the corners in first. Push it down there. It's kind of like a feel thing. You gotta wiggle it in there, and then the tape holds it in place. I didn't even clean that well, but it doesn't really matter.
Do you have to peel back the tape or no?
Yeah. So peel it off after it's all in place.
Oh, okay.
Once it's pressed down.
Gotcha.
So that's pretty much all the way seated down.
Yeah, it looks good.
So we'll do the sides and then we'll go around everything again before we peel the tape, just to make sure. So I'm taking one of the bigger trim removal tools, and I'm going in between this little seam right here, and just to get it all the way seated down, you press it down, go all the way around, do it on the top, or you can't really do it on top, but on the sides especially. It gets it seated all the way. So we're gonna peel the tape now. So you just take this little tab. It's very easy to do, but you know the BMW. Oh God. What the fuck did I just say?
Wheel.
It's super easy to do. It takes like about an hour of your time, but you know the BMW dealership would probably charge you $500 for this. It's bullshit.
That's not
a $40 part. Do it yourself. Don't waste your damn money. Alright, so
do it yourself.
Enough of the motivation.
You're giving me a speech.
Look at that. Oh. You're like Mindy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you have to press it down or is it good?
Yeah. We'll press it down. Stick. And it's not raining. I checked the forecast, so hopefully it'll seal real nice.
All right, let's see the second one.
We'll do this side while we're over here. Yeah.
Now all that can stick to the actual car.
I'll use this again.
Okay.
Just press it down. So we switched to my phone because the other camera died. I got this side pressed down. We're gonna go on the other side, and then we're basically done with this joint.
This joint's about to be fresh.
So we'll press down the top. We didn't get this side just yet. Nice and smooth.
I think this is better than the G7X.
Really?
Yeah. Just get a nice microphone for this and call it a day.
Shoot, maybe we'll have to use that.
Road makes a good setup.
It all lines up real good. Here goes the tape.
Let's get into it.
Yep.
That makes a good difference, man.
You should do this to your car if yours ever goes back.
Mine needs it. It's coming up a bit on the top, but yeah.
Right, and then you tuck this little guy down there. Man, you can't get much better than that.
Yeah, look at that.
Damn.
Getting pumped. It looks fresh, man.
Yeah, so over the next couple of days, maybe I'll push it down a little bit. Maybe I won't.
I thought you were rapping. I was like, oh, whoa, hold on. Throwing a freestyle.
I don't know, man. So it's pretty much done. Way better. No more cracking. If you want to be real excessive, you could probably like ceramic coat this or something so it doesn't get more sun damage. I'm not gonna do that because I ain't crazy.
That's too much. You're crazy.
Yeah, but thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet.
Thumbs up button.
Thumbs up button. Pretty much 90% of you, I checked my stats, 90% of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed.
What?
Which is crazy.
We gotta change that.
So I'm trying to get to past 1,000 right now.
You're almost there, 50 more to go.
There, yeah, so definitely subscribe because I'll keep making content like this with this car and different BMWs. Maybe we'll do some stuff on Spencer's car.
Maybe.
Maybe I'll steal some fucking content from him. I don't know.
Do what you gotta do.
Without his permission. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.